Weezer Changes the World by David McPhail. As a puppy, Weezer was perfectly normal. He did all the usual things that puppies do. He chewed Billy's toys. He barked at the clock. And every once in a while, not on purpose of course, he tinkled on the rug. Then one day, something striking happened that changed him. Weezer began to develop new interests and skills. He could count to 10 and higher. He helped Billy with his homework. And he explained the law of gravity to Billy's class during show and tell. But Weezer wasn't just good with numbers. No, he had good taste too. Especially about which drapes went best with the new furniture. As he got older, Weezer took on more demanding tasks. He predicted weather patterns and helped avert natural disasters. He figured out how to encourage the rich to give to the poor. The benefit concerts were a sensation. Weezer worked alongside scientists and doctors to help them find cures for diseases. He came up with formulas for clean water and clean air. And he sat down with world leaders to show them the way to peace on Earth. Then one day, something striking happened that changed Weezer again. When Weezer didn't come home, Billy went looking for him. Finally, he found Weezer lying still beside the road. Billy carried Weezer home and laid him on his bed. A team of doctors was called in. As news of Weezer's condition spread, people from all over the world sent cards and letters urging him to get well. They vowed to carry on Weezer's good works. They would feed the hungry and care for the sick. They would keep the air and water clean. And mostly, they promised to stop fighting. Then, just like that, Weezer opened his eyes. Bells rang, sirens wailed, and a cheer arose across the land. Hooray for Weezer! Over the next few weeks, Weezer got his strength back. But there was something different about him. He no longer seemed interested in math or science or interior decorating. He paid no attention to the weather or the TV news. Now his top priorities were chasing a ball or fetching a newspaper or playing outside with his best friend Billy. His days of changing the world were over. Weezer had become a plain old dog again, an ordinary, fun-loving, much-loved dog. But the people of the world, because of Weezer, they were changed forever. The end.